You just found the 2023 GMC Acadia. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this handsome GMC Acadia, the safety-minded family hauler that offers the space and amenities you need to make every excursion relaxing and enjoyable. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, all-wheel drive, hands-free liftgate, keyless start, remote engine start, power liftgate, backup camera. Start planning family adventures in this comfortable, tech-savvy Acadia. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.